everyone, I'm Wina Liu. Today I'm gonna talk about the you should read more books. How many books do you read a month? Half a book or none at all? As we all know, printing books are suffering from the attack from ebooks or readable books, and we prefer the use our apps to read portable books. Tablets like Amazon Kindle is labeled to be the most comfortable and provide the most real reading experience, but the real problem does not lie in the formats of books. However, it is the attitude we hold toward knowledge that matters. Today, I will talk about people's attitude towards books or knowledge in it. My speech falls into three parts: the current situation of the topic, the solutions to change the solution, and the benefits we can get to mark a change. There was a survey conducted at my high school about the reading habit and the frequency among us junior students was which showed that the average number of books read by us during a semester was two. Let's think about the 10th junior high school life schedule where we should have never gotten tired of soaking knowledge from books. Look at what we have done. The result was shocking. Now, due to the social media and the distracting video games, the time we spend on reading is much less than before. However, the soup competitive capacity, we should read a book as many as possible. Not only the curriculum mandatory, but also those related to our interests. Therefore, the gap between the need for knowledge and the obtaining of knowledge is quite wide. We need to make more change. How to important our reading amount? I think we can start with those pros. First, cultivate our reading habits. I mean that we should know the significance of knowledge, and we should grab every minute to expand our horizon. Reading the most traditional way to learn, setting a plan or to-do list for a month as the experiment. See how it goes about the cultivation of the reading habits to meet at the end. You should start from the books that you are interested in so that the plan could last longer, even become a part of your daily life. Secondly, improve your reading speed. You might find your reading is quite slow, that you could quit reading anytime when you see there are still so many pages left. To accelerate your reading speed, You should give up those habits like reading aloud or pouring overreading. Thirdly, keep the habit as long as you can. When you extend the month reading plan into your year plan, you might find at the end of the year that you have read a lot of useful and interesting books whose content is now in your brain. To conclude, to read more, you should keep a reading habit as long as possible with book you are interested in. The give up the bad reading habit. Why do you have to read, or what benefits of reading? The answer is handing in books for your to read out, find out. Here, would give you some advantages in reading. It is good for your reading, for your study by expanding your knowledge, which is also useful for your career. Reading also keep your brain work activity when thinking, giving you more ideas from different angles. Last but not least, it keeps you from the noisy world, giving your quiet personal price. Now you may have seen the importance of reading and heard some advice about how to read. It is your turn to find the turn answer in the books by yourself, but the answer as I said is hiding in the books. Thank you for your listening.